Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into a detailed guide on how to use Notion to streamline your nonprofit management in 2025. First up, you'll want to set up a central hub in Notion where you can manage all your nonprofit's activities. Start by creating a new page. Title it something like Nonprofit Management. Add subheadings like Projects, Fundraising, Volunteers, and Events. This is where you'll manage everything, from your current projects to future events. The reason we do this is to create a clear, organized system that's easy to navigate and update. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating a volunteer database. Under the Volunteers subheading, create a new table. Add columns for names, contact info, and availability. Regularly updating this database helps us keep track of all our volunteers, their details, and their availability. Next up, we're going to set up a project management board. Under the Projects subheading, create a board view. Add columns for different project stages like To Do, In Progress, and Completed. This helps us because it gives us a visual overview of our projects, and we can easily track their progress. Let me explain why this matters. In a nonprofit, you're likely juggling multiple projects at once. Having a visual tool like a project board can make a huge difference in managing your workload and staying organized. The same principle applies to fundraising. Under the Fundraising subheading, create another table. Include columns for donor name, amount, date, and notes. This is essential because it provides a structured way to monitor donations, which are the lifeblood of any nonprofit. The final step is to create an events calendar. This is an interactive calendar where you can add all your upcoming events. The reason we do this is to have a central place where everyone can see what's coming up and plan accordingly. And that's it. You've set up a comprehensive Notion workspace that can streamline your nonprofit management. Remember, Notion is an incredibly flexible tool, so feel free to tweak and customize these setups to best suit your organization's needs. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.